And hi guys, so a couple of things. First of all, this hair mooring is from Klaiyi hair. I do have a makeup tutorial on this look for you guys. I think it's a top through or something, so but I did show you guys when we finish the end. I may have like cut out a few bits and bobs, but you know, in its entirety, it's like a start to finish. Okay, so I have something to say to you guys. Alright, so you guys know that, oh shit, let me just tell you about this hair. Okay, this is Klaiyi hair. It's their Brazilian wavy, and as with any wavy hair, I've always said it, you see how like the curls are falling. This is what happens when you don't have a good holding spray. So what you need to do, so so having 3 bundles and a frontal, the hair comes pre-plucked, which I'm completely not upset with. Granted, I did nothing to this, I didn't personalize nothing, honey, because I'm not a personalizer, but my game is being stepped up, you know. So I'm like, ooh, is this supposed to be happening? I'm not mad at it though. Right, so I knew I had to get this video up for you guys, and yeah, 24 inches is the longest one. So it's 24 inches, Brazilian wavy, Klaiyi hair comes pre-plucked, 3 bundles and a frontal. The frontal though will take some finagling, some finessing, and what I mean by that is whenever you wander the hair or curl the hair or put style the hair, except for straightening the hair, you will definitely need, or maybe you do too, definitely need a heat protectant as well as a holding spray. Excuse me. A holding spray will definitely keep the hair intact, keep the curls longer, because the curls in this frontal, they do droop, they do drop. I just wanted this bad boy. I mean, the ones over here, I mean, they're not as flat, but it was a little bit tighter than this. But I don't have a holding spray, so you know, that's my bad. So definitely I would say, just in general, if you love wearing wigs, especially like wavy wigs or curly, wavy wigs definitely. I feel like curly hair, the curls in the closures and the frontals last longer than in a wavy wig. That's just my experience. Okay, been doing this for years. I may not know how to do a frontal too and personalize it, but shit, I've been reviewing hair for years. Whew. Okay, so yeah, so thank you so much for Klaiyi hair for sending me this hair to review. Now my heart is full. Okay, I introduced a series on my channel, Divas of December, right? And I'm not to Emma Horn or nothing, and I'm not subscribed to every single beauty guru or beauty YouTuber here on YouTube, but I have never seen one YouTuber showcase as many talents as I have. Beep, beep. Right, so I've never seen that before, and to be honest, I just kind of to be honest, based on you guys' comments, honestly it never really affected me, because the people who are introduced on my channel, these are people whose work I've seen and people who I love their work, is it me? So I invited them on my channel, but I almost feel like I don't know what you guys want. And it's frustrating to me, because when I started my channel, I didn't start my channel with you guys in mind. And I know I'm going to come off like a little bitch here right now, but just please hear me out. I didn't start my channel thinking, oh, I wonder what they want to see today. I probably have to spend a huge chunk of money on that new Fenty launch. Crap, Urban Decay just released a palette. I'm probably going to have to cop that palette so I can get a review up first, so I can get the views first, and bam, bam, put it in my pocket. Woo, 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 woo. Trending page, that's where my goal is. That was never my mindset when I started my channel or creating content. When I started my channel, I wanted to start my channel. When I was creating content, I wanted to get those contents, and then you guys in turn liked it, which is what built the bulk of my YouTube subscribers. Now granted, yes, I have over 200 and something thousand subscribers, but some of them are dead subscribers, and I don't mean to get dark, but literally and internetally speaking, they just don't use those accounts anymore. I can't remember the passwords, so they're just there. when I introduce those makeup artists on my channels, I get comments like, stick with this, use her, don't ever go back to this. And these are just one and two people, you know, but those comments are being liked, and it almost made me think like, well, what the hell? It's like YouTube has changed so much now. We literally have to do what you guys want. And you have to understand that as a creative, as somebody like me who I love the arts, drama, music, all that stuff, it's frustrating being told what to do. We don't like to be told what to do. So when I see my channel going in a direction and views are going up, comments are going up, it's just like, I don't want to constantly bring on people on my channel, you know what I mean, in order to get views or whatever. I don't want to do that. I want you guys to, at the basis of that Divas of December series, it was to introduce you guys to other Jamaican makeup artists out there who I completely admire, whose work I admire, and who isn't as popular on YouTube. I don't want to offend anybody, but somewhat also on Instagram. You understand? So that's me helping up since the beginning, since I know myself I do YouTube, of doing YouTube. I've always tried to help other YouTubers, specifically Jamaican YouTubers, then the Caribbean, and then the world at large. But I've always been biased to Jamaica, because we have a saying in Jamaica, we're little but we're taller. Meaning, yes, we may be a small country, but we pack a punch, we pack a wallop, you know. So I wanted to showcase that, I want to bring that. But when I started seeing those comments, I almost broke down in tears. I was like, what do you people want? What do you want? What do you want? When people comment on every single video, you should never do your other makeup. This is the makeup routine that works for you. I'm like, all of them? So you physically want me to do every single one of those looks because you like it. Come 2019, huge changes are going to be made on my channel, and I want to say this: I have some loyal bomb followers. I've built friendships through this medium. One of my closest friends is named Chantel, and she was even a part of my bridal party, and I met her on YouTube when I could message people, direct message people on YouTube, and we did that, and we spoke, and we opened up each other, and we talked, and we reasoned. That's my girl. Is it me? I'm constantly meeting friends here on YouTube through social media in general. Is it me? But 2019, I just feel like I have to get back to doing what I love. I love dramatic looks. I love my high arched brows. I love my pink pale lips. There's a reason, and I'm probably going to be a little rough to some of y'all right now. But I'm not the only one that most of you, that every single one of you are subscribed to. I'm almost positive that most of you are subscribed to different people for different viewership, for different things, for different needs. You'll be surprised at the things I watch on YouTube. I don't just watch beauty videos. Matthew Santaro, everything Apple Pro, not your average consumer. The only thing I don't watch often is that in at all are vlog channels. I don't know of a vlog channel that I would watch. Granted, most of my subscriptions is makeup based, but I do other things on YouTube. Factverse, Cinema Sins, What Culture. I watch so many things on YouTube. It's grounds for complete entertainment and knowledge. It's one platform that it has so much knowledge, it's ridiculous. So come 2019, I'll be doing what I want to do. And I've never said this out loud before, but I really feel in my heart that I'm slowly phasing out YouTube. Like, I'm looking into other things that I can do. And I don't want to be one of those YouTubers too that stop making videos and only come back to you guys when I want to sell you guys something. Like, oh my god, girl, I got the cable brushes, baby, so let me know how you feel. Let me know how you feel. Let me know how you feel. I don't want to be that person. Is it me? So 2019 for my website, I'll be reopening the subscription list for my website. So if anything is going on, pull me wise, pull me fitness, pull me whatever, you guys can know through the mailing list. So that's what it's called, the mailing list. I've used it in years. And then get responses, stop email me some more the money. I'm going to $17. I'm going to find that get them so I can keep up and running. But yes, I'm going to be doing that to keep you guys up to date. YouTube is hard work, and when you're constantly being scrutinized, and you yourself, you're not where you want to be, shit's hard, man. It's very hard, and you have to understand that I am dealing with personal life. You guys know my struggles with depression, low self-esteem, hard on myself, all that. You know, y'all know. So it's hard, and I'm going back to doing what I love, what makes me happy, what doesn't depress me. Gosh, and then you guys wonder why some of us turn off the comments. We don't want to hear what you have to say. And this is what YouTubers don't want you to hear. This is what they'll never tell you. This is what they'll never ever tell you, that your opinion don't mean shit. It don't mean jack shit, honey. Nothing, whether good or bad, because some of us are so bruised by your comments, we're almost numb. So we just upload and move on. You spend all this god almighty time and hours editing, and for me, transferring, filming, getting ready to film, filming, finding an area to film, because if you guys follow my vlog channel, you know I no longer have my makeup room. Finding an area in my house to film, actually filming, transferring the files, editing, compressing, uploading. Oh, I can't use that song, delete the video, put it back into whatever edit with. I know it's iMovie because Final Cut Pro, I did on a bootleg, and the bootleg, it's complicated, but I no longer have it. So, and then re-upload and recompress. That shit's hard, frustrating. And no, my husband share a laptop because his laptop crashed. He's like, you're using laptop today? I don't know, I can't use it. Yeah, you know, you have no idea. And the truth is, when you come on YouTube, you know what you guys want? You guys want to be encouraged, and you guys just want to laugh and all that stuff, and forgetting that who you're dealing with are human beings, real human beings. And when we give you that hint of vulnerability, somehow tea gets spilled, and somebody gonna get exposed, and she not who she used to be, and all that junk and all that jazz shit. I don't know, honey, but come 2019, baby, I need to get back to me. I need to enjoy, I need to love YouTube again. I have not sat in front of you guys and filmed anything like this in over a month. Like, other people have done my makeup, but I haven't done anything. It's just people doing my makeup. This is how you guys want to be happy. Us as YouTubers, we deserve to be happy. We are content creators, and it's already stressing finding what to do. That's already stressing. So, come 2019, my little lovelies, I'm gonna be doing what I want to do. There gonna be some changes. I don't know where I'm going to be filming, because this room is so hot that I'm in. There's no window in here. So hot. I wish I could film in my barn, but my house is under renovations. So the barn is a mess. But the barn will be cooler. It's a mess. I don't necessarily want people to walk past my house and see me filming outside. It's kind of weird. But anyway, that's it for a little update. I know I'm rubbing people the wrong way, because y'all love to be rubbed the wrong way. I don't know. But that's it for my little update. I know how you guys feel about this. I do not know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. And by the way, I'm a challenge your answers. If you thumbs down this video, say I thumbs it down. If you thumbs up this video, you say I thumbs it up. Then you just move on with the comment. So if you're thumbs it down, I thumbs down this video because I thumbs up this video because give me a reason. Let me do a little survey. Give me a reason. Give me a reason. I love doing what I want to do, but I understand that you guys come to my channel for what you want to see. But let's give and take. But dag nabbit, I'm gonna be happy in 2019. Sick of this shit. Woo! There, father. Hello.